guys, quickly 5 things I love about the Jag and one I don't like. Obviously slide out vents are amazing, unuseful, heavy but amazing. The screen wash wipers that goes from the wipers themselves is really good idea. Somebody came up with it. It was amazing, a genius idea about that. The rear view mirror in the car is the same shape as the rear window. I know it's not a crazy thing, but it's really nice to see exactly the thing you see in the window. Carbon wheels option, which look really good on this car, black one or other colors. Really nice effect, really recommended to get them. The headlamps from the basically World War II cars look stunning, guys. The flat, slim shaped, you know, futuristic design of them. From the distance, just look at them, they're just simply amazing. One thing I don't like personally is the indicator. You can hear the sound, it sounds out of place in a car that costs so much money.